Hi, everyone. Welcome to Dropshipping Hustle. If you're considering turning your passion for dogs into a business, you've probably thought about starting a dog breeding operation. But before you dive in, it's important to understand the legal and financial steps involved in getting your business off the ground. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up an LLC for your dog breeding business, step by step. Boosting your business's professional image with an LLC. Now, you might be wondering, why should I start an LLC for my dog breeding business? Well, forming an LLC, or limited liability company, helps protect your personal assets, provides tax advantages, and makes your business look more professional to potential clients. Whether you're breeding for show dogs, working dogs, or companion pets, an LLC can provide the legal structure you need to operate with confidence. What is an LLC and why choose one for your dog breeding business? First, let's break down what an LLC is. A limited liability company is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and tax advantages of a sole proprietorship or partnership. Essentially, it protects your personal assets like your house, car, and savings if your business faces legal issues or debt. For a dog breeding business, an LLC is a great choice because it shields your personal finances from any potential risks. Breeding can involve significant financial transactions, and you want to make sure that, in case of a lawsuit or other issues, your personal savings aren't at risk. Step 1. Choose your business name. Just like any other business, your LLC needs a unique name. Make sure your business name isn't already in use by another LLC or trademarked entity. The name must also meet your state's specific requirements for LLCs. Check the availability of your name by visiting your state's business registration website. And remember, you'll likely need to include LLC or limited liability company in the name. Step 2. Register your LLC. Once you've decided on a name, it's time to register your LLC with the appropriate state authorities. This involves filing the necessary paperwork and paying a registration fee. You'll also need to choose a registered agent, someone who will receive legal documents on behalf of your business. Each state has its own filing fees and registration process, but generally, it costs anywhere from $50 to $500. You can complete this process online through your state's Secretary of State website, or if you prefer, you can use a business formation service to do it for you. Check the link in the video description to sign up with Northwest Registered Agent today. Step 3. Create an operating agreement. While not required in every state, it's highly recommended to have an LLC operating agreement. This document outlines how your business will be run, how decisions will be made, and the roles and responsibilities of each member, if you're partnering with someone. For a dog breeding business, your operating agreement might specify how breeding operations will be managed, how profits and expenses will be split, and who handles the breeding contracts. This agreement can prevent misunderstandings later on and clarify how disputes will be resolved. Step 4. Obtaining necessary licenses and permits. Running a dog breeding business requires more than just forming an LLC. You'll need to check with local and state authorities to find out what licenses and permits are required. For example, you may need a kennel license or an animal breeding permit. The requirements vary by location, so make sure you're compliant with both local and federal regulations. If you plan to sell dogs across state lines, you might also need to obtain USDA licensing. Check out the U.S. Department of Agriculture's website for more details. Step 5. Get an EIN, Employer Identification Number. An Employer Identification Number, EIN, is like a social security number for your business. It's required for tax purposes, and you'll need it to open a business bank account, hire employees, and file taxes. Applying for an EIN is easy and free. You can apply online directly through the IRS website. Just fill out a simple form, and you'll get your number immediately. Step 6. Set up your business finances. Once you have your EIN, it's time to set up a business bank account and start tracking your finances separately from your personal funds. Having a separate account helps keep your financial records organized, which is essential for tax purposes and managing the financial side of your dog breeding business. You should also consider getting a business credit card and investing in accounting software to help manage your finances. Step 7. Insurance and liability protection. Running a dog breeding business can expose you to certain risks, so it's essential to have proper insurance. General liability insurance can protect you from lawsuits, while property insurance covers any damages to your facilities or equipment. You might also want to consider specialized coverage for your breeding business. Working with a reputable insurance agent who understands the animal breeding industry will ensure you're fully protected. Step 8. Marketing and branding your dog breeding business. With your LLC set up and your legal structure in place, it's time to focus on marketing. Creating a strong brand for your dog breeding business can help you stand out in a competitive market. Think about your target audience. Are you breeding purebreds, mixed breeds, or working dogs? Develop a brand identity, create a website, and use social media to connect with potential clients. Dog lovers are passionate, and they'll appreciate the transparency and care you put into your breeding operation. So, that's the rundown on how to start an LLC for your dog breeding business. By following these steps, you'll set yourself up for success and legal protection as you grow your business. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips on starting and growing a business. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'd be happy to help. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your dog breeding business. Until next time, take care.